Hello guys, in this class we are going to learn the next topic of the first chapter, that is enterprise process. Enterprise process, when you have decided some idea to convert into reality. The process of starting an enterprise involves few steps. When you spot the opportunity by analyzing the needs and problems, the needs and problems of the society in the environment. You evaluate the ideas and you receive the ideas from different sources to find the creative solution. Solution in the form of product or the service. To create the product or service, you need the enterprise. Then, identifying a product or service suitable to fulfill the needs. That what product should be made by you to fulfill the needs of the society or the solution to the problems of the society. Then you set up an enterprise to carry on the project in which the product shall be produced or the service can be made available. The next is perceiving and sensing the opportunity. Here we can say opportunities are always existing in the environment. But most of the people fail to recognize them, to make use of these opportunities by converting them into business project. To sense opportunities, an entrepreneur employs his skills, observations, vision, knowledge, and creativity. The most important factor involves in the sensing opportunities, ability to perceive. Perceive means someone must have the ability to perceive and preserve the basic idea. That what is the basic idea means what is the need of the people and how will you fulfill the need of the people. That is means idea, sensing the idea, basic idea, ability to harness different sources of knowledge and information means you may have some knowledge as well as the information. You must have the skills to work on that, vision and creativity. You must have the clear vision that how you will do in the future, how you will create something, how will you do something different. Then the next topic is ability to perceive and preserve the basic idea. My dear students, although all the ideas cannot be converted into opportunity, the process of sensing the opportunities begins when an idea comes into mind. An idea which can be converted into opportunity is based on the preference of the customers. When we are talking about the main source of emerging ideas, first is the problem. First of all, we have to see the problems of the society. The solution in the form of the product or the service becomes the opportunity for us. Here we can say most of the time of the solution of a problem becomes opportunity. For example, if a typewriter is doing some mistakes in typing any document, this is a problem facing by the typewriter, and the solution is made by you by providing you a number of softwares which helps in the corrections like WordPad, MS Excel, etc. Next, change. All the environmental changes, be it social, legal, technical, political, economical, gives rise to new business opportunities. For example, when we are talking about technical, mobile phones and IT industries are becoming very good business opportunities due to change in the social and technical environment, because continuously now a number of days we are changing. As you can see, we are taking the example of this, we are teaching with the help of technology. It is a change in the environment because of any reason. So it may be a opportunity. This is the emerging idea. Next, innovation. Innovation simply, that creating something new, developing something new, whether we are talking about a product or technology. For example, we have in the IT sector, we are creating pen drives, iPods, digital cameras, etc. Competition. Many times, competition give the birth to the innovations and the creativity. You look into the various opportunities in the competition. You always in the willing of doing something different from your competitors. Next is innovation. Innovation means, sorry, it was the innovation or an invention. These are quite similar. Here invention, new product. Here new changes, modification. Next, when we are talking about ability to harness, as we have learned already in last previous class 11, harness means to make ready something for doing the work or getting ready to do the work. किसी चीज़ को तैयार करना कुछ काम करने के लिए हार्नेस कहलाता है। एबिलिटी टू हार्नेस डिफरेंट सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज, जो आपके पास अलग अलग सोर्सेज हैं और इंफॉर्मेशंस हैं, उनको तैयार करना कि उस पर काम किया जा सके। Here we can say the information gathered from various sources must be analyzed, verified, and utilized properly. Many people get information but also may analyze the information, harness, and try to get the best from it. Many new innovations and observations are known or to the employee already, or some maybe from the television, news channels, or you can say newspapers. Entrepreneur who takes that information seriously collects the data and facts and figures related to the information. Means whatever the informations you are taking from television, newspapers, etc., you must gather them, you must analyze them, and collect the data and see the opportunities that what to do on the basis of that very data. Next, vision and creativity. When we are talking about vision, you can say to look into the future, you must have the eyes to forecast, you must see the opportunities, the strength of the business, as etc. Creativity means doing something different. The most important characteristics of an entrepreneur is the creativity, which makes him different from others. Creative vision helps the entrepreneur to convert idea into a successful venture. With his creativity and vision, we can say that someone can create a new product, creative product with a good design and the facilities which shall be accepted in the market. It may be depend on the talent and the skills of someone, because without skills and neither creativity can be done nor the vision can be done. Now one topic of this chapter has been completed. In the next class, we will teach you the next topic of the first chapter, that is environment scanning. Thank you.